Hey guys, it is Info Girl. Let's get right into it. So, today we have Amazon, and of course, we know Amazon has multiple different credit cards, but today specifically, we will be talking about the Amazon Visa credit card. Now, the good thing about this credit card to be pre approved, there is no hard impact on your credit score whatsoever. But of course, if you do accept the terms and the conditions, there could be a hard inquiry. Now, a good thing about this credit card, you can get an instant decision whether you are approved or denied within 15 seconds, okay? And they have a credit card limit as high as $15,000. Now, you can get an increase after 6 months of making your payments on time. Now, with this credit card, there is no annual fee whatsoever, plus no foreign transaction fee, which I think is always great. This credit card also comes with some really great cashback rewards. You can earn unlimited 3% cashback on Amazon.com purchases. You can also earn unlimited 3% cashback at Amazon Fresh online or in store. You can also earn 3% cashback at Whole Foods Market online or in stores. Chase Travel is 3% cashback as well. You can also get gas station 2% cashback, restaurants, and so much more. So if you are looking for a credit card with some really great benefits, this could be the credit card for you. Now, upon approval, you can also get a $60 Amazon gift card if you are approved for the Amazon Visa credit card, which I think is always great. Okay, so if you guys are looking for a credit card with high limits, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button.